So this is my carbon engine cover kit. I cut it open really carefully because it's rather an expensive indulgence. Obviously it doesn't do nothing to the performance, but it's just too nice not to have. So, right, this is the first bit. Let's turn it around. Try not to drop it while holding the camera. So that's the first bit. There is a second piece to it. I'll break it. Let's put that piece in there. Let's put that piece in like that. See what we're going in. Side pieces. That's one of the side bits. So we got same again, and this is the front piece. Front piece. So, them 4 pieces normally retails, I think, about £2.5 grand. And that's a lot of money, but it does look good. I'll while I'm putting this on, I'll start filming again when it's on. Show you what it looks like when it's all done. So, this is what you get from the factory. Pretty underwhelming, really. I know it's under an engine, it's an engine, and not everyone is going to see it, but I went mad with this car, everything individual, so I might as well make it look good everywhere. So this is what it looks like with the covers removed. Just give you an idea. Now, going by the instructions, I've got to remove those screws there and put the bracket on. Let's go to the next bit. So, there it is, all fitted. It must have taken all of 10 minutes. You need a T30 Torx socket, just undo 2 screws and add a bracket to it. I'm going to give it a ceramic coating just to go with the rest of the paintwork, just to give it a chance to stay in it scratch free. But I know it's a lot of money, but I really like it. It's so worth it because it's quite boring under here anyway. So thank you for watching. Bye for now. This is probably a better view of it with a light on, so you can really see the difference. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I like that.